What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to yet another AMC video. We've got a little bit of exciting news to talk about today, and we are going to get right into it. But before we do, please don't forget to smash that thumbs up button. And if you are new here, well, I'm not sure what you're waiting for, but you should probably hit that subscribe button because I drop content just like this every single day. Anyhow, without any further ado, let us go ahead and get into it. So AMC, as most of you have probably already heard, especially if you're following Adam Aron on Twitter, has bought a new company, an unrelated company to the industry that AMC is actually in. Now, before we get into what this company is, let's talk about what Adam Aron is saying about it and the logic behind this move. Now, Adam Aron is saying that this is AMC playing offense and pretty much diversifying a little bit, which to me sounds like a good idea. Now, they bought Hycroft, which is a silver and gold mining company. Hycroft is based out of Nevada. The company itself owns 70,000 acres that they're expecting have about 15 million ounces of gold there on the property and over 600 million ounces of silver. Now, this could be a hell of an investment. And trust me, at the prices that Adam Aron got into this company at, it sounds like a hell of an investment. But let's talk a little bit about that real quick. So AMC, Adam Aron spent $28 million, almost $28 million, 27.9, somewhere around there, to invest in this company, which gives AMC a 22% stake. It will also allow AMC to choose a member that they get to put on the board, which means that they've got control in the company now. Now, I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with what Kevin O'Leary has been saying about actually buying physical gold or precious metals versus owning the miners. Kevin O'Leary, and I've listened to some interviews a while back ago, he didn't think it's a good idea to buy the miners versus buying the companies. Now, versus buying the precious metals. Now, last year, miners were being completely freaking hammered, and Kevin O'Leary thought that they were going to go down even further, so he was kind of advocating against buying the actual miners and buying the precious metals. Now, the mining companies are still getting beat down, okay? This company, specifically Hycroft, was trading at about 28 cents. I think they made like an 88% move after word came out of the investment by AMC. And let me tell you, this was Adam Aron basically picking up a hell of a freaking deal. I mean, he bought this company at 28 cents. They've had highs of about $15. The company itself compares itself to the story of AMC last year. But either way, Adam Aron made a great deal here if you ask me, because they've got a 22% stake in this company that owns all of this mining land. And guess what? Inflation concerns are through the roof right now. So that's probably the reason that Adam Aron decided to go in this direction and buy a miner. Now, back to my story about Kevin O'Leary. When asked why these companies, or why it was better to actually own the precious metal and not the miner, he simply said that it's because of the management. Management are idiots. The people managing these companies, they can't get their mining costs down, which to him, he sees it as being more practical to just own the actual metal itself. But if Adam Aron, okay, because if you guys missed that part where they get to select a board member and put somebody on the board, so that sounds to me like Adam Aron is going to have a big say-so in the management of this company. So here's what I'm looking at. Here's kind of my opinion on this. Okay, they bought this company, AMC bought this company, so that means we own the company, or a percent of it. They bought into this company at a hell of a deal. You know, it's just like buying AMC at $1 or something, right? They bought into this company, and now they are going to be controlling what happens at this company, meaning the management of this company. So this could turn out to be a hell of an investment and really, you know, raise the bottom line here. So this could, in the future, and it's not going to happen today, again, watch my previous videos where I tell you, hey, I don't think that MOASS is coming today, tomorrow, next week, next month. It's going to take a little bit of time. Well, this could be one of the catalysts that takes AMC to the MOASS when it actually does come. So anyways, that's my 2 cents on the topic. I just wanted to leave you guys with that. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like button, and I will see you guys in the next video.
Oh Lord. We're stuck in the water.